Hello, welcome to this video. Today I'll show you how to segment the callus of a rat femur. Here is the dataset, and first you can change the windowing a bit and open more slice views and maybe a 3D view. And here you can see the bone. If I change the windowing, here you can see that it is a broken bone here, but it has been healing, and there's a callus, that is this thickened region around it. And now the task is to segment both the callus, here the healed region, but also the inside of the bone and the cortical bone. And I'll give that a try now. So the 3D rendering here with the ISO rendering here can be used to find a good threshold. So something like maybe 4000 here is okay. And so let's add a temp class and threshold everything above 4000. Now we have the green region, and I can hide the underlay, the CT. And now here's a little guy. I can just get rid of that with this tool. And now I would like to hide the inside of the bone. And I can use a trick. I can perform a morphologic closing operation on the temp class, which closes all the holes and the gaps. And now there's just one tunnel inside here, and I can add another class. Let's call it A, and I'm going to assign the unclassified to this new class A here. It's in bright green. And now I'll add a class inside and use the fill region tool to fetch this class here, the inside, and this worked pretty well. And now I can remove the class A again, and I have the two classes here. I can use the transparent rendering to show them both here. We have the cortical region outside and the inside. So this is one way to do this. You can also, if I click undo a bit before the smoothing, what can also help sometimes is to go step by step. Here is the class inside, and you can use the fill region tool and go a certain distance. So let's say just go 3 millimeters at a step, and then you can do this step by step, and because then it'll flow only 3 millimeters, and you can see where it's going outside. Oops. Here, for example, it went outside a bit, or here, and this might be even too much, so let's just make it 2 millimeters. So you can go step by step, perform your segmentation, and then hide the outside class. And now you could cut away these green guys here that look you don't want here. So you could just do it like this and cut them off. This is another approach which is sometimes helpful if you have holes and the fill region tool is somewhat compromised by them. Okay, so this is a trick to segment the bone, the cortical bone, and the inside. But what about the callus? So the callus is here the bright this big region outside here, and you cannot see all of it in the CT because some of it is like cartilage, and then it's just not really bright in the CT. So here, but you might want to segment it anyways, and then the only thing you can do is guessing, and you can use the scribble tool to segment it. And there I would recommend the mode here with just a foreground drawing and then a convex connection, and then you can draw it like this in a few slices wherever you can see it here. And let's just do this in a few slices and then connect it. Using this button, and then you can check and add more annotations where you need it and keep connecting. Maybe one more here. Here. Until you're happy. Might take a few minutes. And here, this is where you have to kind of guess, because you don't really see how much it is, because the cartilage is not really visible in the CT here. And then you can add the class Callus and then accept it, and now you have it here in 3D, and you could perform smoothing maybe twice, and you have the callus, or at least a approximation of it to roughly estimate the volume, which you can get with class statistics dialog here. Okay, I hope this helps. Thank you, and bye bye.